I'm live. It's definitely been a minute since I've streamed. Just finished my last final of this semester today, um, and so to celebrate being done, I thought I would make a little tier list of all of the classes I've taken so far. Um, that I would count towards my major, I guess. Well, yeah, some of them actually won't count towards my major, but yeah, it's just I guess I will start with. Oh man, I chose these little symbols to kind of let's see if I can remember what they all represent. Um, I think this is 6001, 6002. This was one of the first classes. Well, yeah. I say B tier. It honestly, some of the assignments were kind of fun. The latter half of the course was more interesting, but it was definitely not trivial or easy, I guess, especially for beginners, but it just it was fun, I guess. I don't know what order I want to do these in. Okay, I'll just go in this order. This is for 6033 or Computer Systems Engineering. I really have to put that in C tier. I don't know if I said the name of this class. I think it's like Introduction to Computer Science and Programming Using Python. Um, this class though, oh my god, it's like a communication intensive class, and so I just like the material is not technical in or as technical as other systems classes. Yeah. Also, just writing a big group project that was just a lot. Okay, this is for 6006, or like I think like the Introduction to Algorithms class. Covered, data structures and algorithms. Yeah, I'd say it was A. That was a good class. It's very tough. Lots of graph algorithms and sorting and dynamic programming too. That was a lot. But I think it's essential for coding interviews. Now this is for 046. I think I would. Okay, 046 is the class I just finished today with my final. It is Design and Analysis of Algorithms, and holy shit, that class is incredibly difficult. I can't even begin with like the analysis topics. Like, yeah, it's a long list. Types of algorithms that were taught and like tested on this final was like sublinear time algorithms. I mean, reductions. There was like a reduction question, like 3-sat. Streaming algorithms where you have like space constraints. multiplicative learning, like weighted majority algorithm, and the general multiplicative weights update algorithm. I think I took a huge L on that question. And yeah, that's like been like the last third of the course. Like other topics we study is like max flow, or like, I don't know, minimum spanning trees, amortized analysis, randomized algorithms. It's definitely a much harder class than the first one. Topics were more advanced. Oh, I forgot to mention linear programming. One of the, like, I think linear programming is way cooler than well, yeah, I mean, it's like just like a really cool optimization method. Yeah. My performance in this class was not the greatest. I also was not able to probably spend as much time on it as I should have, but it was really fun. I'm just gonna put everything in A tier. I have to put 608 in A tier. Really one of the first CS classes I took. General like Internet of Things, getting to like build things with this microcontroller. It was really fun. Yeah, way back in freshman year. This is for 6036, which is the introductory machine learning course. I'd have to give it a B. I really have to give that B tier. Just because final lab assignment was like k-means clustering of like freaking screenshots of Minecraft biomes. Like, yeah, no, otherwise it's a shitty class, but lots of implementing machine learning algorithms, like classic like gradient descent algorithms and shit. Yeah, it was just a fight against NumPy the whole time, from what I remember. Okay, this I have to put in S tier. This is for 6035, or computer language engineering. That's the compilers class. It is probably one of the best classes I've taken so far, 100%. Or at least one of my favorite. Like, compilers are really cool. This also belongs in the S tier. Okay. This is first off laser chess. That's what 6172 is. It's just a laser chess class. Like, man, laser chess is so much fun. It's performance engineering. Okay, I'm gonna put 6042 in C tier, but I'm going to say that this is probably specific to the iteration of the class I took, because it was one of the entirely remote semesters. It's disappointing. We essentially did not have any lectures. We just watched recordings from like 2015 and then like did homework assignments. Like, that was literally the entire class. No no lectures. Yeah. Um, that is a duplicate. I couldn't figure out how to delete that. Okay, raft. The raft class. I'm gonna say that's S tier, not S tier, A tier. A tier definitely. I feel like I need to adjust some of these tier ratings. I'm sorry, 608 was fun, but it wasn't like crazy. Yeah. So Raft is for this distributed systems course I took this past, or I guess this spring. Read a lot of papers on distributed systems and implemented a Raft library, and then wrote distributed applications using the library, and it was very hard to debug. Concurrency hell is how I call this class, but I kind of liked it. Yeah. Ignoring the painful hours of debugging. RISC-V. I feel like RISC-V honestly is not very representative of the entire scope of this course. I'm on the fence between A and B. Maybe I need more tiers. I think I need to promote 046 just because of how insane that class is. Like, definitely one of the hardest classes I've taken. Yeah. Just because I liked 006, I mean, like, I think that this is pretty fair. I think that this is pretty fair so far. I think I'm having trouble placing 004 on this though. Like, I feel like, I guess no, I'm gonna put it in A tier, yeah. Yeah, this is for 6004, or the computation structures class. Basically, the class taught through some abstraction layers from like transistors to microprocessor design and instruction set architectures. And so throughout the lab assignments, you get to implement like a kind of baby a single cycle processor that is capable of running RISC-V actually, in like emulated hardware. So yeah, it was really good class. I wish I could have worked on the design project, but I was too busy playing laser chess to do that. But it was, I think, I wish I took that class earlier because, yeah, it's just, I think, a great course. I really like system stuff, so, yeah. But I like took this last semester. I honestly think that I would have benefited from taking this earlier. Just like in terms of knowing the kind of things that I like working on in programming. On a similar note, this is operating systems. Definitely either A or S tier. High A tier might be yeah, I'm gonna say A tier. It was definitely a good class for getting familiarity with some operating system abstractions. Very difficult as well. So yeah, let's say A tier. Ooh, this is for 6031, which is the software engineering class. And I think I need to put it in B tier. Not because it's like not a great class. But I mean, it's pretty fundamental, and it is a prerequisite for like the laser chess class and the compiler class. That might be it. I don't remember about the operating systems class. If you could take that without taking the software class, like, that would surprise me. But yeah. One of the highlights from this class was like a meme generator thing that like used a grammar to generate images. Some good memes. I wish I had them, or yeah, you should whip out the presets and run them again. So I guess this is the last course. This is Python, Python class, Python 2, no, not Python 2, Python 3. But this was Fundamentals of Programming, R6009. Again, a great class. Like, all of these classes are pretty good. I think, well, I think that the relative placement on these tiers is fair. Like, maybe I should have been more, like, describe more. Okay, okay. I can't I can't do 6009. I can't do that course like this. Um, I wish I had taken that class earlier. Um, but yeah, that was probably um, a lot of like what I consider the first real programming I did. Like, um, yeah, that's definitely where the scope of some of these problems got a bit more complex. Like, just with topics like recursion, um, the end of the class, the last lab assignments, I implemented an interpreter for like a dialect of Lisp called Snek, hence the image of the little Snek that I stole from, I think, the course website or something. Um, but yeah, I mean, it was a great class. Uh, Maybe I should promote it up a tier. Yeah, I really should. That's like all the Core 6 classes I've taken. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 too many. This is not counting the IAP classes I've taken. Just kind of reflecting. It's kind of crazy that I'm about to start my senior year. Yeah. Well, I guess that shall be the end of the tier list. It's been a very quick 3 years, and it's been pretty insane. Some of these classes are definitely mind bending. Definitely check out 172, 6172, 6035, and 6046. Also, maybe this is in memoriam of these old numbers, because as of next semester, all the class numbers are changing, and some of these classes, like 608, I don't think are going to be offered anymore. So, it's okay. But yeah, thank you for watching. If anybody other than me ever watches this, and don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.